The iPhone SE 4 is set to return in March 2025, marking an exciting update for Apple's budget-friendly range. This new model promises flagship-level performance at a reasonable price. This SE series has always been known for providing strong performance and a timeless design without breaking the bank. Meanwhile, the iPhone 13 remains a tough competitor, with both the iPhone SE 4 and the iPhone 13 offering distinct approaches to the smartphone experience. The SE 4 focuses on affordability and a familiar design, featuring a powerful processor in a classic form. On the other hand, the iPhone 13 presents a more modern design, an upgraded display, and a more advanced camera system. Let's take a closer look at a detailed comparison to help you make an informed decision. Be sure not to skip this video to ensure you make the best choice. The A18 Bionic chip in the iPhone SE 4 significantly improves performance, making a notable impact on speed and efficiency. It is built to perform excellently in tasks like gaming, multitasking, and running resource-intensive apps. Gamers and heavy users will especially appreciate how effortlessly it handles demanding software. Although casual users might not notice a major difference between the SE 4's A18 Bionic chip and the iPhone 13's A15 Bionic, performance benchmarks and resource-heavy tasks show a clear advantage for the SE 4. Moreover, the SE 4 benefits from enhanced AI features and future-proof capabilities due to its A18 processor and 8GB of RAM, supporting smoother integration of Apple Intelligence. On the other hand, the iPhone 13, with its A15 chip and 6GB RAM, lacks the hardware to support these advanced AI functions. In terms of battery life, the iPhone SE 4 is anticipated to come with a 3,279 mAh, which is comparable to the iPhone 14, while the iPhone 13 has a slightly smaller 3,204 mAh battery. Even though the battery size difference is small, the SE 4's use of AI technology enhances power efficiency, improving battery life. This optimization could help the SE 4 last longer throughout the day, even under heavy use. The design of the iPhone SE 4 will closely resemble that of the iPhone 14, with a similar sleek, modern look and feel. Its lightweight build is not only stylish but also contributes to its practicality, making it incredibly easy to use with just one hand, which is a significant advantage for users who prioritize convenience and portability. Both the iPhone SE 4 and the iPhone 13 are equipped with 6.1-inch OLED displays which offer impressive color accuracy and contrast, providing a visually pleasing experience for users. These devices feature Super Retina XDR OLED technology, delivering a resolution of 2530 by 1170 pixels and a pixel density of approximately 460 pixels per inch. Despite sharing these specifications, the iPhone SE 4 is set to benefit from the latest advancements in display technology, which will likely result in a superior viewing experience with enhanced brightness, clarity, and overall image quality compared to the iPhone 13. Camera performance is often a decisive factor when choosing a smartphone, and in this regard, the iPhone SE 4 adopts a slightly more conservative approach compared to its competitors. It is equipped with a single-lens 48-megapixel camera that produces solid results for everyday photography, capturing sharp, vibrant images and smooth, stable videos. The camera excels in well-lit environments, delivering clear and crisp shots. However, the iPhone SE 4's single-lens setup, while capable, lacks the versatility found in the iPhone 13's dual 12-megapixel camera system. The iPhone 13 offers a more dynamic range with its wide camera featuring a 1.6 aperture and an ultra-wide camera with a 2.4 aperture, providing a broad 120 deg field of view. Additionally, the iPhone 13 includes a 2x optical zoom-out function, allowing for more flexible framing, and is enhanced with features like dual pixel phase detection, autofocus PDAF, and sensor shift optical image stabilization for smoother and more precise shots. While the iPhone SE 4's 48-megapixel main camera has the potential to capture more detail, especially in well-lit settings, it doesn't quite match the multifaceted capabilities of the iPhone 13. Moreover, the SE 4 is likely to benefit from advanced AI camera optimization, which can help enhance image quality and provide improved results in challenging shooting conditions. The iPhone SE 4 stands out due to its impressive A18 processor, sleek and compact design, and affordable pricing, making it an ideal choice for users who want reliable performance in a familiar, compact form without the burden of paying a premium price. On the other hand, the iPhone 13 is a strong contender, boasting an advanced dual camera system and a range of features designed specifically for users who are passionate about media consumption and photography. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that the iPhone 13 is currently priced under $400, making it an even more budget-friendly option when compared to the upcoming iPhone SE 4. In the end, the choice largely depends on your individual priorities and preferences. If you place the highest value on cutting-edge performance, AI-driven features, and a more modern chipset, the iPhone SE 4 would likely be the better option for you. However, if you are looking for a more versatile camera system, better photography capabilities, and a lower price point, the iPhone 13 presents an excellent alternative. Personally, I believe the iPhone SE 4 offers the best value overall. Given its similar price range to the iPhone 13, you get a device with flagship-level specifications that make it more future-proof and a powerful option for those seeking maximum value from their purchase. Now, we want to hear from you. Which one would you choose? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, we'll catch you in the next video.